Hello there. From today, I am starting 1000 Python programs for beginners series. So let's kickstart this 1000 program series with classic custom followed from decades, that is Hello World program. If you don't know anything about Python programming, you need not to bother. Follow this video and ask more and more questions. Let's start. I'm opening up my TextMate, as this is a software that I use to write my Python code. I will show you which version of Python I'm using. So to see that, just type Python space --version and hit enter. You will able to see Python 365 Anaconda Inc. So this is a Anaconda distribution. So inside it I have a Python installed. So if you don't know how to install Python, just check my description. You will get a link and a step-by-step procedure how to get Python installed to your Windows or to your Mac or any operating system you are in. Okay, so Python is installed. Let's write our classic Hello World program. I'm gonna type hello space world exclamatory. So let me save this file to my desktop with the extension .py, which means it is a Python script, or it's a file written in Python. I'll choose my desktop. I'm gonna save as hello h capital .py. Click on save. Yes, now my file is on my desktop, as you can see it here. I'm going to my command terminal, command prompt in Windows. I'm gonna call Python interpreter and a file name, that is hello.py. Hit enter. Now it is throwing syntax error saying invalid syntax in a file, and a line 1, we have only one line in our program. So this is syntax error. So how do I correct this? Just go back to your program. So simply put single quote or double quote that hello world. Save it. Come back to your terminal or command prompt. Run the same command. Now it is not giving me any sort of error. So let's try again. I'll just remove these double quotes. I don't like double quotes. I'll use single quote. So let's see what will happen. I'll save the file, come back, I'll run it again. Still no error. So Python interpreter is not finding any errors in my program. So why that hello world is not printing? It is not displaying to me in my terminal. So to do that, you just want to use one inbuilt function, so that is print. So print is an inbuilt function in standard library of Python package. So how do we write the functions? Just type print and enclose hello world within the parenthesis and save the file. Back to your terminal. I'm just clearing my window. Run the same hello.py script. Now you could see hello world. Oh, we have written double quotes, right? So let's try that as well. Double quote surrounding hello world. I'll save this. Go back to my terminal. I'll run that again. So it works fine. So it works with double quotes and it also works with single quote. Hope you liked my video. Just give thumbs up, share it, and if you are not a subscriber, subscribe it. If you have any sort of question, write it down in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Bye bye.